Hare Krishna. Next 30 days, Kartik Mas, the most lovable month of Lord Vishnu, of Krishna. I would humbly request you, all my followers and students, to plan the next 30 days with utmost dedication and humbleness. Starting from 8th of October to November 5th, this month carries lot of positive energy. October 18th, Jupiter enters the sign of Cancer, gets exalted, and we have many festivals in this Kartik month. We have Karva Chauth, Rama Ekadashi, Dhantredas, Deepavali, Govardhan Puja, Bhai Dooj, and the most auspicious Devothan Ekadashi, the Ekadashi of the Shukla Paksh of the Kartik Mass, when Lord Vishnu wakes up from his sleep. And then that also give beginning of the Tulsi Vivah. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll tell you three things that you have to do so that you can get immense blessing of Shri Krishna and Vishnu. Whatever combinations you have in your horoscopes, whatever problems you are facing in your life, विधि का विधान नहीं बदलता. Your destiny is not going to change, but you are going to get extreme amount of energy, patience to actually fight your prarabdha, your past life karmas. In this Damodar, month, or also known as the Kartik month, it is very, very important that you lit lamps. Now, you will see many videos, but I'll tell you the way you have to lit lamps and what time you have to lit lamps. And they should be the mati lamps. Mati means the soil lamps, the clay lamps. You should have 5 every day. So today I've sent my team to get me 200 lamps. So I'm going to use 5 lamps every day for next 30 days until November 5th. So I'll put some desi ghee, or you can also use mustard oil. So put 2 lamps in the entrance of your home, the main gate, not the main door. If you have a flat, then it's your main door. If you have a bungalow or a villa, then it's the main gate. So you put 2 lamps on the main gate, 1 lamp under the tulsi plant. If you do not have a tulsi plant, you can click a picture of tulsi plant, get a photo frame done, and then keep it in your home temple. Okay, so if you have a plant, nothing better than that. So 2 lamps on the main door, 1 lamp on the tulsi plant, 1 lamp at your home temple, and 1 lamp on the roof, chat pe, right? So 5 lamps every day. You have to do it until November 5th, starting from October 8th. The lamps have to be done only in the evening, and it should be between 6 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. or maximum 8:30 p.m. So if you're traveling, you're at your home for 5 days, but then you're traveling for 10 days, well, you can ask someone to do it because someone should be at home. If you're not at home, you can do these 5 lamps in a temple, right? Very, very important, right? With this, when you lit a lamp in the entrance at Tulasi, right, at your home and at the roof, the first thing that happens is that 33 Koti Devi Devata are very close to the Mother Earth, and they see that you have been dedicated to Lord Vishnu, and you get immense amount of blessing power, patience to fight your karmas. On the same time, when we lit a lamp under Tulsi, it really helps us to have happiness and prosperity in our married life. Certainly, you will see lot of behavior and positive changes and warmness in your marriage. The third thing that you do is that you put this particular, lamp on the roof. And when you do it for the roof, it is technically taking the blessings of Akash Tattva, which is Dev Guru Praspati, which is the Karaka of real prosperity, wisdom, name and fame, and happiness in your life. And last but not least, one lamp in your temple in front of Krishna is going to give Krishna consciousness whole your life. So, five lamps every day in the given locations that I've said. The second remedy that you have to do here is that you have to quit something that you really like. For an example, I'm a vegetarian and I like paneer to eat, the cottage cheese. And I told my wife that I'm not going to eat paneer. My son, he likes coffee. So he said, I'm going to give up on coffee for 1 month. So, whatever you like the most, it is known as tyag, okay, sacrifice. It's not that you're sacrificing to make God happy. No, you're sacrificing so that you're always conscious that you're in the purest month and you need to chant, you need to do japa, you need to do bhakti, right? So quit anything that you like for a month. The third thing is a single name of Shri Hari or Vishnu that you take, or any mantra that you take, is counted minimum 1000 times. So, suppose you have done one mala of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. One single mantra is 1000 times. You suppose you do it one mala, it is going to touch over 1 lakh. And if you do 16 rounds, that is close to 16 lakh mantras in a day. And imagine your bank balance of mantras. So it is the time not to waste a single minute. Have a counter in your finger and keep chanting Om Namah Shivaya, Shri Ram, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namah Shivaya only if you are Dikshit. Otherwise, Sam Sadashiv or Namah Shivaya. This is a mantra that you can do. Or you can simply say Shiv, 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 Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Whatever you want to say, or simply Ram Nam. So one Ram, when it comes from your mouth, is 1000 Rams in this Kartik Mass. Such an opportunity that you should not ignore this. And every year, all my students and all my followers, all my YouTube community should wait for this Kartik Mass to come. This is a mass where Shri Krishna did lot of Leela. Even he lifted the Govardhan, right? The Radha Kund, everything came in this, particular Damodar or a Kartik Mass. Extremely auspicious. It's time for Vishnu ji to get up from the Nidra Mudra and take the control of this universe. Ladies and gentlemen, let's celebrate this Mass not only on the basis of Diwali or gifts or moving, to the friend's house or playing cards, right? And trying to judge your bhagya. But no, this is the month for japa, for tapa. You can go to rivers to take bath. Ganga ji is the best. If you cannot go to Ganga or Banaras or Haridwar or Narmada ji, you have water. You can, place an order on Amazon, get Ganga Jal at your home and take bath every day, with that little bit of Ganga Jal on your body. Try to wake up early, try to wake up in Brahma Muhurta, right? And do maximum japa. Trust me, Kali Yuga Kevala Namadhara, Simar Simar Narutre Para, a lot of past life sins will be gone. So this month, is the biggest opportunity. Thank you and Hare Krishna. Har Har Mahadev.